forces out one slow out. That's Prince Perdia. Simply Gold, fast to begin. And in second is Yanong Rikit. Just a moment is Bardarella alongside his Spanish drums, while Prince Perdi is running last. And going along for the first term, you have Simply Gold by about 2 lengths. Just a moment now, right here in second, alongside his Spanish drums. A length back in fourth comes Yanong Rikita, and a far behind is Prince Perdi as they swing down the back. Now we have Spanish drums, moves up by about 3/4 of a length lead. Simply Gold, that's back in second, then coming closer now in third is Yanong Rikita. Just a moment, drums back in fourth, and a far behind is still is Prince Perdi. Approaching the far turn, Spanish drums, this time by about 2 lengths, and moving up now to take second is Yanong Rikita. Dropping back in third, Simply Gold. With that Spanish drums by about 3 lengths. Yanong Rikit now moving up to take second. Simply Gold dress back into last. They come there at the last 200. Still in front is Spanish drums by about 2 lengths. Yanong Rikit still in second. Last 100. It's all Spanish drums. And finally Spanish drums second. Yanong Rikit. Simply Gold just a moment and Prince Perdi.